Python wasn't named after the snake. It's a nod to Monty Python's Flying Circus, a British comedy show. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn. That's why it's often the first language taught in schools. Major companies like Google, Instagram, and Netflix all rely on Python for their backend development. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, and it's still one of the most popular languages today. Python's syntax is designed to be readable and straightforward, making coding less about the syntax and more about solving problems. You can use Python for almost anything: data analysis, web development, machine learning, even building video games. Python has a massive ecosystem of libraries, like NumPy for data science and TensorFlow for AI, which makes it incredibly versatile. Python is open source, which means it's free for everyone and constantly improved by a global community of developers. Despite being simple, Python is incredibly powerful. It's used in cutting-edge fields like AI, robotics, and big data. Python's slogan is "batteries included," meaning it comes with lots of built-in tools, so you can get started right away. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome programming content.